Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to log in into your account on Quotex. So guys, go to Google and search for Quotex. As you can see here, log in to account. As you can see here guys, just click to account, click this one. You find here guys this option to log in into your account. Click this language, English. You can find guys two options: log into your Facebook or Google. Just click Google. In my case, I will log into Google on my PC. Just click your email, Gmail account, Google account. After that, you find this dashboard, guys. You log in successfully to your account, and this is my dashboard, guys. And you can also log into your Facebook, guys, easily by Facebook account if you have Facebook. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content. See you on another video soon.